Alright, so I've decided to build a computer because the one I have is from like 2008. You can't be updated. You just can't. Yeah, anyhow, my computer's from 2008. It's completely so old, and I've been trying to render videos, and I'm a day trader for a living, so it's just not really working out anymore. No. So the case I decided to go with was the Cougar EVO RGB, which means it comes with a controller box, 4 fans that are Cougar's RGB 120mm fans, I do believe. So this is just going to be a quick unboxing, nothing special. I really like this case. It stuck out to me because I like the glass design of it. I've never actually seen this case in person. I got this case on Newegg for... You know you're being bad. Got this case for $218, I believe, plus like $10 in shipping. There might have been free shipping, I'm not really sure. But for the price, I mean, it's a little bit more of a pricier case, but I thought, you know, it's been such a long time since I've built a computer, why not go all for it? Excuse me. Let's actually tilt it out like this. Take this out without taking the lights down. Look! There's a big box. You can play in it. Oh boy. So the case overall is a little bit more of a weighty case. It's more on the heavy side. So let's just take it out here. Ooh, fake carbon fiber. Must mean it's really fast. See if that's in the frame here. So it is a little, it's a full tower. It is a little bit of a bigger, heavier case. It's got support for a 360 radiator, a 360 millimeter radiator in the front, as well as 360 on the top. I had it the wrong side up. So this is the front of the case. It's definitely a heavier case. I think overall it looks pretty nice. It's got a really strong build feel to it. It's got these handles on the top. I think you can even put a headphone thing right here that holds your headphones. It's got 2 USB 3.0s. It's even got a USB-C, which was a strange, I find that kind of strange. And it's got a headphone jack. It's got a microphone. It's got an original USB 2.0. I think you can have 8 fans total in this case. You can have 3 at the top, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, and 1 at the top, which makes 8. So, that's really all I have to say about it. Oh, it also has a fan switch on the front for a quick and easy adjustment of the fan speed. Overall, I think the tinted glass really just kind of sets it off, I think. I think it'll make the inside and the internals really pop when it has the RGB effects inside. So there it is, the Cougar Panzer EVO RGB. You can find it on Newegg. You can go to the actual Cougar gaming site and find all the different places you can buy it. I'm in the United States, so it might be different outside, so I don't want to give somebody the wrong information, but like I said, this was just a quick, simple unboxing. Let me get a shot of the back of it for you. I actually ordered 4 more of the 120mm fans because why not? So once I start to build this, I'll actually I might actually film the build, and so there's a shot of the back. Like I said, it is a bigger case, just to give you a reference of how big it is. Here's a cat. What do you think of that? She thinks it's for her. Yeah. Well, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.